Hey guys, it's Julie, and today is a very special day, except not for me because I am single and alone, but for those of you who have someone special today, it is Valentine's Day, and these are the Valentines that I made for my friends, and they're not that great, but I thought they were really cute anyways, and they're kind of cheesy and nerdy, but they are Pokemon Valentines. Moving on to the video. I am your Tuesday for Cute Collab Babe, as you already know from my last video. But yeah, so this week's theme is to do like your top 5 songs played on either your iTunes, your iPod, your iPhone, your MP3 player, your whatever that you use. And I use my iPhone. Okay, I have 245 songs. Really, they're all like songs that I used to like. Like most of them I really don't like at all. So I have a playlist. And then songs I actually like is just all the songs that I actually like out of my 200 whatever. And that is only 81. This is going to be kind of hard to pick. Song number 1 would probably be Reckless by Yumi at 6. Number 2, Stay by Mayday Parade. It is like a really good song, so yeah. Can you tell I haven't slept very well since the last time that we spoke? You said, please understand if I see you again, don't even say hello, please. Song number 3, Coffee Shop Soundtrack by All Time Low, and should I write myself out of the street? Song number 4, I think this is number 4, right? Okay. Take Off Your Colors by Yumi at 6. And then the last one, this is really hard. Shake It Out. Regrets collide like old friends. Here to relive your darkest moments. I can see no way, I can see no way. All of these questions that you're full of song. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Ooh. So that was the end of basically a video of me singing to my dog. Make sure to subscribe and links below. Follow me, Twitter, Tumblr. We'll see you guys next Tuesday.